ইউটিউবের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আজকে আপনাদের একটা ভিডিও প্রদর্শন করা হবে। ভিডিওটা দেখবেন, চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, লাইক দিবেন, শেয়ার করবেন। ইন্ট্রোর পরেই আমার ভিডিও শুরু হবে। Welcome to everybody and Happy New Year 2021. Agri Bangla YouTube. I am presenting a new software which is used in laptop or computer for skin crusting. This is a free software. Anyhow, you can at first download this software through any browser. This is Active Presenter, a new software for skin crusting and free and easy software for laptop. You can download through any browser. I am showing this how it download. Active and this is the automysystem.com e-learning authoring software and training video editor, and this is the Active Presenter. You can download from this. I have already downloaded, so I cannot show this again. You should download from this view Active Presenter. And next, how it skin crust I should show. I will show this, and this is the icon of Active Presenters. I am opening it. And this is the page of open page of Active Presenter. Here is some activity, blank project, record video, record software simulation, responsive project, important PowerPoint, and open. I will discuss about record video, how it done. So I am clicking it, and this is the interface. Here is some point. If you can cast in full screen, then you should click it, and if you custom size, then you should click in this point, and size you have to maintain. How you will maintain, you should determine this, and this would be so. And this is the webcam. You should click it to webcam, audio and webcam, and this is the audio is on volume here is. And if you full skin cast, then here it would be click it. So I click in full screen, and record the video in the screen. I am doing some work to countdown ending. The video will start in Active Presenter, and this is the Active Presenter video. I would casting this. If you have finished this video, then you should have to click Active Presenter icon again, and this is the stop point to stop the video recording. I stop the Active Presenter video, and how it works I will then, after the stop the video, the end video is here, and you can, this is the webcam, you can place anywhere you can determine after video complete. And editing time scale, here you can edit sound, audio, video portion. You can add any call out, cursor effect, and any other video editing point is here. You can correct in this time scale. You can delete any portion of the video. How you can do it? Now I am playing the recorded video. Ending the video will start in Active Presenter, and this is the Active Presenter video. I will casting this. If you delete any portion of the video, then you have to click in this point. In this point, this yellow part, you should click this yellow part. I am delete in this portion. Then select, and here is cartridge. You should click here. Then it should be deleted. And any annotation call out, you should edit this video. Then you should to click insert, then shape. I should like this. I am tagging here any text, then you should click it. And this is the call out. point. You should add any point of the video